Phrygian melodies. What is the key to writing great Phrygian melodies? The Phrygian mode is very exciting because you can use it to write dark and melancholic melodies, but on the other hand, you can also write melodies that shine bright like a diamond. It is definitely one of my favorite modes to write music in, but however nice it may be, it can also be a tricky one. And why is that? Well, because I try to keep the Phrygian flavor and sound as subtle as possible, because often I find it can be too much or just too obvious, but that's just my opinion. So, where do we start? Well, first of all, we need to make a Phrygian scale, of course. And because the Phrygian mode has a minor third, we consider it to be a minor-oriented mode. The easiest way to make any minor-oriented mode is to take a natural minor scale and then adjust the note that is unique to the mode that you want to write music in. In our case, we will lower the second scale degree with half a step, and everything else stays the same. To recap, the Phrygian scale has a minor second, minor third, perfect fourth and perfect fifth, minor sixth and minor seventh. If you've seen my videos on modal chord progressions, then you know that for something to sound like it's in a certain mode, you need to use the important notes and of course the note that's unique to the mode that you want to write music in. This is all the music theory we need, so let's make some music. I have 2 Phrygian melodic formulas lined up for you, and you can use them to write melodies, leads, riffs, slow or fast, anything that you want to use them for. Let's say that our piece is in C Phrygian. A beautiful formula is by simply playing from the 5th, which is the G, until the minor second, which is the D flat. Then rest for a while on that note, and then resolve it downwards to the root note. And why does this sound so good? Well, because from the 5th until the minor second, we have an augmented 4th interval. And this is an interval that sounds spicy and it's unstable. And it wants to resolve downwards. Listen to the melody that I came up with. Notice how much color and also tension this melody has? It's absolutely wonderful. This next formula is an absolute beauty. With the Phrygian mode, we have the amazing option of writing this kind of a motive. Do you recognize the sound? We twice have the interval of a minor second. These have tension and want to resolve downwards. You don't have to write them immediately after each other, but if you keep them close, it will really sound amazing. Check out this example. I'm waiting for, I'm hoping for the rain. Once again, my friend, I'm waiting for, I'm hoping for. There's just so much beautiful stuff to explore in the Phrygian mode. I could make a whole video series on it. But I do hope that these tips will get you going on your Phrygian journey. And if they do, you can support these videos via my Buy Me a Coffee support page. And of course, you can share this video with your music friends. Stay inspired, stay creative, and for now, see you next time.